Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope guys that you all are doing great in your life and also you all are practicing your English speaking without procrastination on right track. So today after a long time I'm gonna make this video, not so long but I think after 5-6 days. I have not been uploading my video, I have not been practicing my English, and some of my viewers, some of my friends, they were just asking me through my channel, through comment, like why I'm not able to upload my video nowadays, why I'm not able to practice my English nowadays. So my dear friends, I also just want to let you know about the reason behind it, like why I was not able to do all the things, why I was not managing to upload my video to practice my English. So guys, it's due to my mother's health issue, you know. By the grace of Bholenath, by the grace of God, my mother is absolutely fit and fine, and a little bit only weakness she is feeling now, but by the time she will definitely feel better. So my dear friends, today we all are here for practice purpose. So I want to share one thing, and before sharing something I would like to say some words about mothers, you know. मीन्स गाइस, कहते हैं ना कि माँ तो माँ ही होती है, और इस जहान में, इस ब्रह्मांड में माँ की जगह कोई भी नहीं ले सकता. In English we can say mother is mother only, and in this whole universe no one can take place of a mother. So I want to say one sentence about mothers only, and it's not about only my mother, about all the mothers in this world. I just pray to my God, my Bholenath, that always just bless to each and everyone's mother, like all the mothers in this universe, just stay healthy, stay happy, and stay safe. So now just come to English, okay. So as sometime this is happening that we have to skip our practice due to some reason, and the reason is something genuine like this, as I had to skip my practice due to my mother's health issue. Due to that reason, so you have to also sometime face this type of issue or this type of any function party like this. So after just skipping practice for some days, for a long time, we are just feeling negative about English. Like now we are not able to speak confidently and fluently. We sometimes we are just considering ourselves that we are not good enough, just because we have not been practicing for the last few days. So my dear friends, I want to say one thing here, like don't need to think like this. Look, I also didn't practice my English for the last few days, but still I'm just speaking, just because I am persevered, I am determined. So you have to also be like this. And if you once be positive about anything, and as we all are here for English, so we are talking about English. So for English you have to be the positive. If you are positive, if you are thinking positive, if you are staying positive, so definitely the positive things are going to be happen with you. And if you are negative, so negative things are going to be happen. So my dear friends, if God has just provided us such a unique quality to think, because you know, means human beings are only the one who are having the ability to think something. We are not animal, we are human beings, and we are having this unique quality to think. So why should we need to think negative? Okay. We need to think only positive. So you have to also think positive with your English. Don't feel like that I am not getting words after a long gap. If I'm going to speak English, so I'm not getting exact word. So sometimes it is happening. So no need to worry about it. My dear friends, I want to suggest here, okay, if you are not getting exact words after a long gap of your practice, So don't think so much. Use your mother tongue at that place where you are not getting the exact English words. So you have to use your mother tongue. You should use your mother tongue. So we are just learning English. So if we are using our mother tongue in our English, so we are not committing any crime. Okay, so like this you have to also think about English. If we talk about foreigner, so means if you have already heard foreigners, so you must have noticed that mostly they are using their mother tongue, some words of their mother tongue in Hindi speaking. If they are learning Hindi and means our mother tongue, and if they are speaking and they are not getting exact Hindi word, means our mother tongue's word, so they are using their mother tongue, their own mother tongue in Hindi, means confidently. They are not feeling ashamed, they are not feeling shy. So why we Indians need to feel shy if we are using our mother tongue in English? So means I'm not saying you to use always your mother tongue. Means if you are using your mother tongue in your initial day in English, so no need to worry about it. Okay, so if you sometimes it is happening that we are not getting exact English word, but we are forcing our brain to get the exact word. So that moment we just feel like to forget our sentence, to distract our fluency, distract from our fluency. So I'm just telling this thing that if you are also feeling like this, so don't feel ashamed, don't feel shy, use your mother tongue. And if you are using your mother tongue in your English, usually means naturally, so there's it sound good, dear friends. It will not sound bad in your English. Okay, so if you are also beginners and learners, and if you are facing the same phases in English, phases in the sense like ups and downs, like bad situation in your English, so use your mother tongue confidently. If we are going to express our emotion or something, the feeling inside, that is just coming from inside our heart, so that moment we feel like to express those things in our mother tongue, not in English. Just we are not feeling the emotion, the expression in English sometime. So that moment also you have to just use your mother tongue. You can use your mother tongue. If I take an example here, when I started my video, so I also wanted to say about mothers, like माँ तो माँ ही होती है. So guys, means just feel this sentence, exact sentence, माँ तो माँ ही होती है. सो जब हम इसको अपने मदर टंग में कह रहे हैं, आपकी मदर टंग जो भी हो, तो आप अपने मदर टंग में ये सेंटेंस बोलो कि माँ तो माँ ही होती है. तो जो फीलिंग और इमोशन अंदर से आ रहा है हमारे, द फीलिंग एंड इमोशन विच आर कमिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड, सो इट कांट कम इन द सेम वे इन इंग्लिश. ये बिल्कुल सेम तरीके से एंड सेम इमोशन और फीलिंग हम इंग्लिश में हमको नहीं आएगी. जैसे देखो, हम कह रहे हैं ना, माँ तो माँ ही होती है, तो ये कहते हैं ऐसा लग रहा है कि अंदर से हमारी अंतरात्मा ये कह रही है. लेकिन अगर हम कह रहे हैं कि मदर इज मदर ओनली, देखो कोई फीलिंग नहीं आई. So sometimes it is happening. I am sharing my feeling, my dear friends, my perspective. So sometimes some sentences, कुछ सेंटेंस ऐसे होते हैं कि जो अपने मदर टंग में ही हमको फीलिंग आती है. मतलब हम इंग्लिश में वो फीलिंग नहीं आती है, क्योंकि इंग्लिश हमारी मदर टंग नहीं है, हमारी सेकेंड लैंग्वेज है. तो मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप कभी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन फेस कर रहे हो, तो आप अपनी मदर टंग यूज कर सकते हो. यू कैन यूज योर मदर टंग इन योर इंग्लिश. सो अगर आप कर रहे हो तो इसमें कोई शर्माने वाली बात नहीं है, नहीं कि इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते अपना मदर टंग पे आ जा रहे हैं, तो इससे कोई बात नहीं है, आप बोल सकते हो। आपकी मदर टंग भी आपका गुरूर है, तो उसे आप एकदम ही अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो, बोलो, सीखो, इंग्लिश बहुत जरूरी है भाई, क्योंकि इंग्लिश इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज है। इंग्लिश हैज become an international language, global language, so we all need to learn English language, and we all need to speak English language, and we all need to command over English language as second language. But we can't avoid our mother tongue. Sometimes we are feeling to express our emotion or something in our mother tongue, so we can express. भाई जरूरी नहीं है कि सब कुछ इंग्लिश ही बोलो, तो बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। तो इंग्लिश डोंट टेक इट सो मच सीरियसली, ओके। इंग्लिश को ज्यादा सीरियसली मत लो आप लोग, मतलब हाँ जरूरी है लो, पर अपनी मदर टंग को भी एकदम असाइड नहीं करो, ठीक। एंड लाइक दिस just because we are focusing so much on English, just because if we skip English speaking practice, so we are gonna be distracted from fluency. But just if we skip our mother tongue, अगर मान लो कुछ दिन के लिए हम अपनी मदर टंग ना बोले, मौन व्रत धारण कर ले, तो भी कितने भी लंबे समय बाद बोलने जाएंगे भाई, तो कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन फील नहीं होगी हमारी फ्लुएंसी में, क्योंकि हम वो बचपन से बोल रहे हैं और उसमें हम मास्टर हो चुके हैं। तो ऐसे ही इंग्लिश में भी मास्टर बनो, बट lightly. Don't bother yourself too much, don't overwhelm your mind too much. So enjoy your English speaking, English practice with this beautiful hope. Bye bye, take care.